Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into a fascinating and long-standing mystery of the medieval world, the Voynich manuscript. This enigmatic text has puzzled scholars and enthusiasts for centuries, and it's a brilliant case study in the intersection of linguistics, cryptography, and modern technology. So, let's unravel some of the innovations and insights uncovered in a recent project examining the manuscript through the lens of natural language processing, or NLP. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about the Voynich manuscript anyway? Well, this book is said to be written in an unknown language, often referred to as voynichese. Despite numerous attempts, no one has managed to translate it definitively or even understand what it might mean. For many, it's been an invitation to wild speculation. But what if we approached it from a different angle? That's where modern NLP comes into play. The project I want to share today sets out to analyze the manuscript's structure, not its content. The idea was to see if voynichese behaves like a real language, using scientific methods rather than falling into the trap of guesswork or folklore. The creator of this project, who isn't a linguist or cryptographer but rather a curious individual, utilized a range of techniques, including clustering, part-of-speech inference, and Markov transitions. Intriguingly, they found that voynichese might actually exhibit certain structural behaviors typical of human languages. Imagine for a moment a detective story. Our detective analyzing clues left behind with the latest forensic technology, but instead of fingerprints, they're looking at linguistic patterns. Isn't it fascinating how data can lead us to unexpected revelations about something so arcane? Now, let's look into some of the results of this analysis. One of the main findings is the identification of clusters of words that behave similarly in terms of usage. In this study, word clusters were classified into groups like function words and content words. Picture function words as the glue that holds sentences together, the small but mighty words like and or the. In contrast, content words carry meaning, think nouns and verbs. This kind of clustering helps to understand the underlying structure of voynichese, indicating it may have grammar-like features. As we dig deeper, the project revealed that certain patterns in the text were not random at all. The transition matrix showed strong internal structure, implying that the way words relate to each other isn't just chaos, there's something more organized at play. This pattern suggests that even without an understanding of the actual words, we might be looking at a constructed language, a beautiful complexity that reflects thought and intention. But, as with any ambitious project, there are limitations. For instance, the methods used, like suffix stripping, removing endings from words to reveal root forms, could potentially eliminate important morphological information. It's a double-edged sword, which makes the analyses both enlightening and potentially misleading. So, what if you want to engage with this yourself? The creator of this project has made it quite accessible, laying out the steps for anyone interested in replicating or extending their analysis. Isn't it thrilling to think that you could dive into this mystery, equipped with modern tools and a fresh perspective? As we wrap up, it's worth reflecting on what we've learned. The Voynich manuscript, while still undeciphered, doesn't just sit as an artifact of curiosity, but stands as a challenge inviting exploration through rigorous methods. It's a testament to human curiosity and the power of innovation, blending history with technology. To those of you interested in linguistics, cryptography, or simply the wonders of unsolved mysteries, this project opens the door wide. Our understanding of the manuscript may still be vague, but the path revealed by computational